In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zendesk support. Merging tickets can be a helpful way to simplify and organize your support processes when a customer has submitted multiple requests that are related to the same issue. We're going to walk through each step in detail so you'll be a pro at merging tickets by the end of this video. To start off, let's open the ticket you want to merge into another one. We refer to this as the source ticket. It's important to ensure that you have the correct ticket open, because once you merge, this ticket will no longer be accessible in its original form. So, double-check the ticket details, maybe confirm the content aligns with what you need to consolidate into another request. Now, once you have the source ticket open, direct your attention to the area near the Submit or Update button. You'll notice a drop-down menu there, which houses several options for ticket management. Click on this drop-down and look for the Merge into Another Ticket option. Selecting this will begin the merging process. Next, you'll be asked to choose the target ticket. This is the ticket into which you want all the information from the source ticket to be incorporated. You have a couple of ways to find this target ticket. If you know the ticket number, you can simply enter it into the search field. Alternatively, you can browse through the tickets that are linked to the requester of the source ticket. Take your time here to ensure you've selected the correct target ticket, as getting this step right is crucial. Once you've identified your target ticket, you have the option to add a merge comment. This could be a note summarizing why the merge is occurring, or any other information you think may be useful later on. You also have the flexibility to decide whether this comment should be visible to the requester and other CCED parties, which can be particularly useful if you want to maintain transparency with the customer about what's happening. After you've double-checked all the details and you're confident in your choices, go ahead and click Confirm and Merge. As soon as you do this, the source ticket will be closed and its information transferred into the target ticket. The target ticket will remain open or change status based on your organization's workflow settings. It's critical to remember that merges in Zendesk are permanent and irreversible. Once you've merged one ticket into another, there's no going back. So, always verify that you're selecting the correct source and target tickets before confirming the merge. And there you have it. Merging tickets in Zendesk support is a straightforward process that, when done correctly, can greatly enhance your efficiency and organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any additional questions or need more assistance, feel free to explore other resources or reach out for support.